Okay, Assalamualaikum. Right, now I will explain the requirement of the assignment regarding topic 2. So, topic 2 is simple. You must relate the product price with the law of demand and law of supply and must have diagram. So for this one, basically, you need to do some sort of investigation lah about the product that you produce. What are the range of the price of the product, and what are the quantity demanded. Okay, suka saya nak pesan, jangan terlampau rumit. For example, biskut, harga dia RM3, RM3.20. You boleh buat lah range harga macam itu. Janganlah biskut harga 100 tak logik pula. For example, kalau you buat syarikat laptop, harga dia dalam 1,000, 1,800, 2,000. So, you have learned about topic demand and supply, isn't it? So, basically, a different range of price will relates to different quantity demanded. And law of demand said as the price is higher, the quantity demand will reduce. So that is what we would like to see in your report. You just assume that you have a range of prices. Okay, macam ni company student ni buat sample dia buat vitamin. So this is among the range of price for vitamin. So boleh reka lah, tak sebenarnya kena buat 30, 35. Mungkin boleh buat 33 ataupun 32.50 sen. So up to you. Tapi saya nasihatkan tak payah pakai sen-sen tu. Nanti bila you nak draw the diagram, you akan start confused kan. Okay, use a simple precise number for the price. In terms of the quantity, you assume lah berapa botol terjual. Kalau biskut, berasa berapa pack. Maybe puluh ribu pack. So quantity ni boleh letak dalam kurungan 000. So it depends. Right. So orang kata be rational. Harga tu mesti logical juga. For example, kalau laptop takkan RM20 kan. Dan laptop takkanlah jual sampai puluh ribu unit. Depends on the company background yang you cerita in the first place. If you are a small company, small kedai laptop, penjualan laptop maybe kalau harga tersebut dalam beberapa unit, berbelas unit saja. And then you don't need to use the graph paper tau. You just need to lakarkan, assume sahajalah macam student ni, very simple one. And in the diagram should be labelled fully. Price per bottle, quantity, and if the price increases, what will happen? It will causes the up and downward movement. Kalau price turun, kalau price naik, upward movement. So this is the penceritaan yang you kena cerita in your report. Dan make sure you buat case study lah. For example, kenapa harga biskut, kalau you buat produk biskut kan, why is the price of the biscuit increases? Macam ni dia banyak assignment ni during the COVID-19 hari tu. So although we are still having COVID-19, but of course because of the booster kan, kita dah restriction tu dah very minimal dah. Alright, even though the cases still very orang kata alarming dan kematian pun tinggi lagi, tapi kita dah boleh resume the economics the economic activity as usual. So you are not supposed to explain about the COVID-19 saja, pasal MCO saja. You boleh find or reka kan, kita belajar determinants, apa yang menyebabkan harga naik, apa yang menyebabkan harga turun kan. So do your googling, find a story yang make sense. For example, sebab bekalan awak buat biskut kan, bekalan wheat tu berkurang, gandum berkurang, jadinya menyebabkan harga gandum meningkat. So bila harga gandum meningkat, of course automatically the price of your product will increase and result to the decrease in quantity demanded, and there will be a movement upward along the demand curve. Macam tu lah. And then you can cerita pula kalau movement downward macam mana. Kita nak tengok you apply the thing that I teach in the teaching video in your assignment. Okay, and then when you have explain about the demand, and you choose a bit lah, among the determinants of demand tu kan banyak number of buyer, advertisement. Jangan explain everything. Choose two and explain relates to your product. How the determinants that you choose will affect the shifting outward and inwards of your demand curve. Next, you go to the supply pula, and make sure the range of price tu sama tau, supaya nanti bila you nak buat topik 4 equilibrium, even though you tak belajar lagi pasal equilibrium, you boleh hasilkan demand and supply curve dalam satu diagram. So kalau you pakai different prices here, for supply lain, for demand lain, at the end you tak boleh combine your demand and supply curve.
Yang siapa tu? Bawa salah. Ni, bawa salah.
Okay, so the explanation should be precise and have everything, and make sure your drawing ni bukan macam orang Parkinson. Belajarlah macam mana nak draw the demand curve, the supply curve. Your senior boleh, kenapa you tak boleh? Okay, be orang kata particular like this. Okay, and some goes with the determinants of supply. So bila supply pun dia akan ada movement upward, movement downward. Kalau you nampak ni, different person yang buat tau. Sebab kalau you nampak dia punya choice of colour is different. Yang ni pakai warna purple, yang ni start pakai warna ni. So itu adalah in terms of editing. Please try your best to edit so that it will be ada continuation from one part to another part, even though orang lain, orang berbeza yang buat. Okay, so kalau you tak nak explain as a whole macam ni kan, increase movement outward satu, movement downward satu, you boleh explain sekaligus je pun. It's up to your creativity, because you need to save space so that you boleh hasilkan assignment within 50 pages. I bet some of you might pause my video and copy the wording there, but don't do that. If I see any wording the same as the assignment, I will assume you don't have effort. Okay, so for demand and supply, make sure you determine the prices, the quantity to be sell ataupun to be demanded by your buyer, and then you draw a diagram and explain a bit about the factors. So that's it for topic 2.